Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am HollyLynora, and today's video we are doing a simple, easy, probably not going anywhere, might be going somewhere because I do look cute, but probably not. Look. It is simple, it is easy, no contouring, no false lashes, just enough makeup to get you motivated, get you doing some productive stuff, whatever that may be. And just, you know what, because we want to feel good. Makeup makes me feel good. Does makeup make you feel good? Thumbs up if it makes you feel good. I am sorry that I did not post a video yesterday, but I had a migraine, and if anybody out there gets migraines, they know that it is nothing to play with. It absolutely, like, I cannot function when I have a migraine. It's awful, but I do apologize for not giving you content. But here I am back. No migraine. Thank you. Thank you. You guys, how cool is this? We are at 500 and something subscribers. We are getting so close to the Pat McGrath giveaway. If you have not entered, go ahead, enter. I will link that video down below. Also, the beauty giveaway 2020, I will link that one below as well. Make sure you're entered. You don't want to miss your chance to win that free stuff. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, hit the thumbs up button, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, are you ready? Simple, easy, everyday look. Thumbs up if you love a simple look, easy look, inexpensive look. I do. Let's get into it. I am going to start with a primer. I love the Ole Henriksen's Banana Bright Face Primer. It has vitamin C in it. Gotta love that. Give your face a little massage. Get that blood flowing. Always do this. Even if you're using moisturizer, go ahead. Give your skin the massage it deserves. And as I have mentioned before, I will mention it again. If you don't have primer, don't use primer, can't afford primer, just take a good moisturizer, leave it on your face, let your skin soak it in, and you will be good to go. You don't have to have primer. Next, I am going to go in with the Farsali Rose Gold 24 Karat Moisturizing Gel Cream. This can be used as a primer as well. You can put this on under your makeup, or just if you're not even putting on makeup. This is a great skin refresher. I'm just going to take what's in the lid. It's got little specks of gold in it. Can you see that? Farsali is freaking awesome. And it smells good too. For foundation, I am going to go in with this $5 Believe foundation. This is from the dollar store. I got this for my Paige Corinne Made Me Buy It video, and I have fallen in love with it. Not only is it inexpensive, but it works really, really well. Another alternative is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Mine is the dewy version. This is also $5. You can get this at Walmart, Target, yes, all the drugstores. This is a beautiful foundation. I love this stuff because you can just throw it on top of a brush and spread it out on your face. It blends so evenly. It's so smooth. This foundation is absolutely wonderful. It's about medium coverage, but you can build it up. This amount of coverage right here, I am totally content with. I honestly like less coverage. I love a skin tint, a good BB cream, moisturizer, whatever, something that has just a little color. I don't much care for the medium coverage. I like it, but it's not my number one. If I had to use one the rest of my life, I would pick a skin tint, no doubt. But you see how little time it took to do this much coverage. It honestly looks like it's full, but maybe that's just the monitor. I don't know, but it blended smoothly. This stuff is awesome, and it's $5. Stock up. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer. Sometimes I conceal, sometimes I don't. It honestly just depends on how well I slept the night before, if I look super tired, if I need some concealing. Y'all feel me. Today, just for the sake of the video, I'm going to conceal. Do I have any plans today, you ask? No, but what But when I put on makeup, I do tend to be more productive. I just feel like getting up, doing something. I'll wear a full face of makeup and vacuum. I don't know what it is about getting pretty, but it does help, at least me, when it comes time to getting up and doing things. And plus, I just enjoy putting on makeup in general. I don't have to have anywhere to go. Anybody else like that? You just like to put it on just to put it on, play around, practice. This concealer is a Revlon concealer. It is the Candid Photo Ready Concealer. I got that concealer for my Tati Made Me Buy It video, and she's right, it is a fabulous concealer and inexpensive. I think if you're using something every day, you're gonna have to repurchase it. So find the inexpensive good stuff to use for your everyday wear. I know the primer's not drugstore, but it's one of my favorite primers. I just enjoy it. Personal preference there, guys. And now we are concealed. Our base is looking good. I am going to do my brows real quick. I will fast forward through that. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and the Morphe Brow Gel. I just grabbed what's sitting here in front of me. I really don't have a preference. All the brow products that I use, I really enjoy. I feel better already. Just a little bit of TLC and you are ready to take on the day, girl. You are a girl boss. Don't ever forget that. Next, I'm going to bronze up the face a little bit. If it's my everyday wear, I'm really not focusing on contouring. Just a little bronzer will do the trick for me. And it is quick and easy. This is the Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Icon. That is already such a huge difference. Man, I just messed up my hair completely. Not like it was looking like its finest in the first place, but you know what I'm saying. Whatevs. Next up, I am going to go in with my blush palette that I had customized from MAC. I love MAC. I think they're a great company. I'm going to go in with my IT blush brush, and I'm going to take just a soft color. I'm going to take this color right here and just pop it on them cheeks. Now I'm just blending everything together, making sure there are no harsh lines. On my everyday look, like I said, I am simplicity at its finest. I normally will take a bronzer and throw it in my crease and call it a day for my eyeshadow. But today I'm going to go in with blush. And I am actually going to take this color right here just because I don't want to do brown today. So I'm going to take this little purpley pink right here, and I'm going to throw that in my crease shade and call it a day. I'm going above my crease because I have hooded eyes. Y'all already know this. And now we have added a little pizzazz to our eyes. You could always take the same color, whatever color you pick, and smoke out your lower lash line if you wanted to be even more fancy. But today, simplicity at its finest. Thank you very much. And for some mascara, I am going to go in with this mascara right here. This is from the brand It Works. I got the color Extreme Black. Tati Beauty actually recommended this, and so I bought it. I actually bought it for the Tati Made Me Buy It video. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. This mascara truly does work really, really well. I will show you. Can you guys see how good that mascara works? just by itself. That's one layer. This mascara is awesome. Last but not least, you know I gotta throw something on my lips. So I do have this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb that I got from the Sephora sale, as well as the Glow Recipe Lip Pop. It's a cute name. So I figured I would go in with this first just to kind of fill it out. I know it's just a lip balm, but we'll go in with this first and then top it off with some Fenty Beauty. This is what the packaging looks like for the Glow Recipe. Super cute. I honestly just see this as something that I'm gonna throw in my pool bag when the pools open up and it is time to lay out in the sun. Okay, so that's a cute little number. It has a little bit of color in there, definitely. Do you guys know of this is like totally a 90s kid thing, but the Smucker's chapstick? This is it. Remade and updated. Smucker's right here. It smells just like Smucker's lip balm. That is so awesome. And now we're gonna top it off with this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Fussy. I haven't tried this yet, so why not now? Oh, that is thick. That's a cute little number too, okay. It's definitely got shimmer and shine. That is perfect for summer, especially since you can just pop it on, rub your lips together, and you're good to go. Love it. And of course, so it will stay all day, we are going to go in with the Stay Spray from Tarte Cosmetics. And there you have it. That is my simple, easy, everyday, just hanging out. Maybe run some errands, maybe not. Maybe I'm just doing the dishes. Maybe I'm just vacuuming. Either way, I'm gonna look good doing it. Look. Let me know your thoughts down below. Also stay tuned because I did get an update on my Sephora spring sale packages. One should be here in just a couple days. I have a few more boxes that I haven't got shipping notification yet, but I totally understand with everything that's going on in the world. I'm sure they're doing their best, so we will be patient. Also, I did want to update you guys on this Pretty Vulgar foundation. If you guys saw that in my trying new makeup video, you will know that this is definitely not my color, but I did order another one. Hopefully it will be my color. I'm probably just gonna give this to a friend if I have a friend that is this color. I don't even know, but that was definitely a catastrophe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs up button, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.